But the INS Kolkata suffers from a weakness that no warship can live with. It is, as of now, unprotected against any air attack. Also, the warship doesn't have the capability of detecting submarines.
All set to be the fighting edge of Indian Navy's frontline fleet. The Kolkata is a tremendous warship, the pride of its makers. But there is trouble aboard that the Navy shouldn't have to live with. Like the Russian INS Vikramaditya aircraft carrier that he visited in June, the Kolkata-class destroyer that Prime Minister Modi personally welcomes into service today won't be the full deal. A troubling prospect for an Indian-built ship that will be deployed far from Indian shores to project strength. 4 main issues stand revealed. Most glaringly, the brand new ship doesn't have long-range anti-air defenses, depending instead on old generation systems that render the ship more vulnerable. Second, the ship still doesn't have an active towed array sonar, its chief sensor to detect submarines in order to avoid or attack them. Third, the ship's main deck gun has been supplied by a subsidiary of Finmeccanica, a company that's all but blacklisted, throwing into question after-sales support. Finally, the Kolkata's propulsion system comes from Ukraine, a country that can't assure its political future, let alone support for exported machineries.
Talk about the delays, you have to understand that Mazagon Dock is building ships where it gets all the components from outside. It is the dependency on so many OEMs. Now when we say that shipbuilding has to get some indigenization product, so the price for indigenization also has to be taken into account. So here, if you see, there are many systems which were indigenized. L&T has played a major role in that. So we have now, after this, our systems are proven for the further generation ships, even the GRSC built ships or MDL built ships, it will help us a lot.
Top Indian Navy officials tell headlines today that the suboptimal configuration of the new warship is the result of technical incompetence by the Defence Research and Development Organisation and procedural irregularities in the government's weapon procurement process. The Navy has no choice but to wait till the warship gets everything it's supposed to. With Jugal Purohit in Mumbai, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.